Hi friends, this is Atif Akbar again from Moon 333. Actually today I wanted to post a video on traders, but there is also a little bit bearish move in BTC. Therefore I thought that I should bring some update on the BTC as well. So today we'll take a look at BTC, then in next video I'll show you the traders analysis. And before starting, I'll request you to like and subscribe my channels cause I'm working for you guys. And one more thing, that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for any kind of investment advice. First, I'm taking you to my Bitcoin's published chart because I have described everything on my published chart. I'll just explain the things. So let's move to the Bitcoin's chart I've published. This is the chart I've published today. But before starting with this chart, I would like to show you my previous Bitcoin's chart because after watching that chart, it will be easy for you to understand this chart. I'm just opening my previous chart. And here is my previous chart of the Bitcoin. Okay, here in my previous chart we can see the price action was getting bounced from the bullish cloud, the Ichimoku cloud, and the price action was also getting bounced almost from the 50 MA. And here we can see the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud was entered in the price action, and after that it was moved up and gave us the bullish signals. And here we can see the MACD was turned weak bearish from strong bearish. That was a kind of bullish signals. And the Ichimoku cloud was not reversed. That was also a bullish signal. And here the volume profile was giving us a signal that the traders are not interested to trade at this area. Therefore I took the Fibonacci retracement from the tail of the triangle to the support of the triangle. And I predicted that the price action can touch or hit between the area of $11,037 to $12,819. Now after playing the idea, we can see the price action went up to $11,098. Here we can see. Now coming back to the new chart, now we can see we are having some bearish signs. Now you can see the Bitcoin is moving within a falling wedge, and next bull run depends on the breaking out of this resistance, which is at $13,174. But the BTC looks like out of gas between the area of 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci, as I have defined this area in my previous chart. Now we can see the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud is again down and giving us the bearish signals. And the price action is entered in the cloud and likely to break down the cloud soon. And here we can see the cloud is quite squeezed. And here we can see the lagging span of Ichimoku cloud is down again. It is giving the bearish signals again. And the price action is entered in the cloud. And here we can see the cloud is getting reversed. So far it is not reversed, but maybe in the future it will be reversed. And if the cloud will be reversed bearish, then we might receive some bearish, strong bearish signals from the MACD as well. One more thing, that the price action is moving down from the different steps of the moving averages. First, the price action hit the 25 MA and moved up, and after that the price action broke down the 25 MA and hit the 50 MA and moved up, and now it is trying to break down the 50 MA as well. And in case of breaking down the 50 MA, the price action can break down the support of the wedge, and it will form a symmetrical triangle like this. And the 100 MA is already there at the support of the symmetrical triangle. Then we can have another bounce from 100 MA. So far the MACD is weak bearish, but once it will turn to strong bearish, then possibility of hitting at 100 MA will be confirmed. And if the resistance of the wedge will be broken out, then the final resistance of $13,174 can be broken out. And after that, the Bitcoin can make new high. But before that, I would like to show you one more thing, that we have head and shoulder pattern formation which is visible up to 4-hour chart. So the more indications are in favor of bear move rather than bull move. The next bull rally purely depends on two things. The first thing is the breakout of the resistance of the falling wedge, and after that the breakout the resistance of $13,174,000, and after that the Bitcoin can make new high. And one more step for next bull rally should be at least weak bull signals from MACD on day chart. So this was an update on Bitcoin. Soon I will come with strategy idea in next video. Till then, goodbye.